Okay, let's see if this fly through works. Okay, let's run this sucker. Takes time to load all the textures, models, etc. Here we are. Now that's one of my human characters who's going to be animated later. You'll notice she's standing at sea level at the moment. Okay, this might be a little jerky since we have the recorder running at the same time. I just turn off those triangles. Okay, it's a bit smoother. Okay, now we're looking out over the isthmus. There's a kind of battleship hidden there, which just looks a bit stupid. One of the main issues you have with these sort of things is actually trying to find out where you are. I think that's Mount Eden. I'll just go up a bit higher and see if I can see where we are. Okay, that's downtown Auckland, looking out toward North Head, which will be a little bit more obvious. Might just go up a little bit at the same time. Get quite a smooth flyover effect. You know, you should get quite a cut-off appearance where humans have modified the land. Just looking down at Mount Victoria, North Head. You'll notice that large area there, that basin effect is Lake Papuki. So you have to animate your lakes slightly separately as they are higher than sea level, so you don't get the blur, but we can sort that out on texturing. Okay, there's Rangitoto. Come back in toward. So we're getting quite good cliffs here, which is what you do actually have along the waterfront, so that's pretty good. What we'll do when we texture those is look at the slope and put in rock or sandstone effect. Now we're just coming up toward Eastern Beach, Bucklands Beach. Got a limit of about 3500 on the depth, that's why those things are appearing. You can't animate everything at the same time, it just kills the frame rate. Okay, it's flying along Peninsula at Eastern Beach. And we'll just have a look back toward the city. There's Mount Wellington with stone fields. You do get a couple of interesting anomalies like this one out here at Overhunga. That could be a data hole. Okay, we'll do a fly past of Mount Wellington. Looking into the Stonefields Quarry. Bank around. It's probably make Anne-Marie really sick. She doesn't like 3D. And that's Pigeon Mountain. Just coming up. It's one of our local hills. And if you're actually trying to work out where we live, it would probably be somewhere just here. I'll have to put an overlay on this to find out exactly where everything is. This is probably Cockle Bay here. And I suspect this is looking out toward Beachlands. Just here we have what I suspect is Sandspit looking up the inlet where the Whitford Road crosses the given that sea level isn't quite right. Oh no, that's probably that here actually. That's actually Sandspit. We actually do get what appears to be a sandspit. Then looking up the estuary toward Somerville Intermediate. So I'll put an overlay on this so you can see it, but the actual school is probably somewhere about here. Now if you climb you do get a reasonably good overview of the maps. It's all quite pixely at the moment, but you do get some idea of topography there from some of the shadowing that's on the procedural texturing. So once this is textured, it's going to look a lot better. So it's a pretty reasonably accurate representation of everything. Just to get the height maps, what I would like to do is put water on this, but then I want to get the below sea level layers working. The problem with this at the moment is there's a calculation that inverts the below sea level areas, so they actually appear as raised areas, which actually makes the map look ridiculous. So I'll just have to sort that out so it can handle the negative indices there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the fly past, and I'll keep everyone posted on how things are going at some point if I don't have anything more important to do.